Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstration how to fix your Gmail password in case forgot, lost or someone who has hacked your Gmail password. Here is an exceptional case guys. This idea has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his especially device, and due to losing of his device now has recommended to others scope in this area because there is just some urgent data. Now he doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phone so that easily he can the rescue. So we will try to generate alternative best options to the rescue without having the recovery email and the recovery phones. Is it possible? Of course, this can be possible. See here, here is asking a special and password, but we don't have. So now it's saying that you did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is real errors. So in that case, we would like to the rescue, then we will have to answer this question. So second is that alternative email or recovery email we don't have. So how can I rescue first? We will see. So don't skip ahead guys. Every step is very crucial and important for us. So let's start. First and foremost, we will have to cut it from here. So because this is not possible by here, so we will come in a Play Store. Is it possible by the coming the Play Store? Of course, this can be. I will show you without having the recovery email and the recovery phones how easily it can be recovered. Just we will come in here. That is Opera. Opera means of course here we are coming with AI with virtual private network. So just we will go for installation it. So if we install here, on the other hand we will have to two changes on a particular browser that what is currently working. So take any smartphones, apply a similar strategy, easily you can rescue of it. And don't worry, it's not a matter of anxiety if you lost your Gmail password. Easily it can be. So how? We will come in a Google products. We will hold especially firstly the Chrome browser. Let's tap on it, and thereupon of course here we will come to notification. In notification we will have to make it off. Then of course we will back here. Then we will come to permissions too. Of course we will have to tap on a locations. Locations too. Of course we will tap on the precise location off. Then click here, don't allow. So no longer function as I intended. Now that we have done it. Now guys, here what we will do, just we will cut it from here. We have done these things. So now we will have to apply a similar strategy on a Google search browser. So hold it, and of course we will tap on it. We will come in a notification, we will tap it off, and thereupon of course we will come in here on the permissions to of course we will have to come in a slam the locations to the make it the precise location of. Click here, don't allow. No longer function as intended. It's notifying. Fine, it's okay. Now we will come on here and check it out. Especially everything is okay. Then of course we will come in here. Yes, free of space is already off. Open by default. Of course, and this is already off. So now what we will do, just it should be off guys. Now what we will do here is we will come in here to check it out that it has been installed or not. So it's taking a scarcely especially yes 10 seconds more especially to the complete installation. So let it complete installs, and upon the further we will add the step of this thing. So of course 70% is we have completed. Sometimes especially due to network error, or maybe sometimes especially taking a time, especially here is especially in this area. Yes, internet connections or internet speed is quite slow, so that's why having. So but however almost we have done guys. We'll have to wait especially 20 seconds more especially. This area especially guys, he was just too much especially I'm the worried to the rescue in this area, but he wasn't able to, he was not in the positions to the rescue. So now I'm trying. So let's see here, we will try to generate an alternative best option, and by that of course Google give you an opportunity to rescue of it, because there was a given that by providing sufficient information this can be the rescue. So of course we will try. So now see, almost it has been installed, downloaded. Now it's installing. So after installing, just we will tap here. So everything is doing in front of you live. So guys, here just to see here, I was a rescue without making tutorial, but maybe beneficial for someone who is having this kind of the problems, and that's why actually I decide to. So let's see, almost it has installed. Just we will tap to open, and when we tap to open, so then what will happen guys, this page will be open. So don't do anything here, just we will click to skip everything, and of course now so that it will not take a much more time, guys. Here just we will go for cancels, and of course here just we will go for here to Googles, and when we tap on a Googles, then just let me taps here, so it's taking our time here a little bit. Just we will click on here just to see. We will have to wait. Now it has taken fast. Here what we will do, guys, here just it has, you see, yes, link has been especially, see, it's asking a little bit something at the starting time. Of course, and this will give you a little bit disturbance, so just we will click on here Google, and now we come on here, just we will go in a sign in, and when we tap on a sign in, so then what will happen, so guys, here just we will take a especially no, this was not ID was especially, what was that? Yes, it was especially started by especially multiple ID, especially in a day, especially having the recovery, so that's why a little bit having the problems. Let me check it out, especially what was ID it. Yes, it was especially, let me write here T, of course we will go with especially. Now this is the idea that we would like to address of it. In a day the multiple idea having the recovery, guys, but at this area, of course, I decided to make a tutorial, so just we will go for now forget password, because this is the idea that we would like to. So here tap on it to forget. Now see, it has started to especially login, but here is asking especially device, so this device was lost, so just we will go for especially try another way. When we tap on a try another way, and then what will happen, guys, here it's asking last password. Of course we will go with the especially alternative options. Now here is the last phone number 69. This is a phone number that we don't have, otherwise we can text or call and easily we can the rest of it. Now see, more option has been given here. The more tips to the risk of this account. Second is that the answer is question so, and the third is that user device where we have the sign before. By that also it can be recovered. Fourth one managed with the alternative email. By that also it can be recovered, and answer as many questions as you can. So by that also it can be recovered. But we will prefer to more tips to recover this account, so we will try to generate have the more options to address course. So here is a, but don't click on here try again, otherwise in this account maybe a phrase for time being, so guys, here. So what we will do now, so just we will cut it from here and upon. Now this is the last crucial step that we will have to execute. Let's tap on a special setting. When we tap on a setting, then we'll have a special option that is the Google services and the preferences. Now see, when we tap on a Google services and the preferences, this option will be open. Take any smartphone, guys, apply a similar study and see how easily it can be recovered. Now see here, we have a help search bar. Here just we will have to write a hacked. Just we will have to make a here according to a special the situation. We will have to excuses here that especially hacked Gmail recovery. So here is the option that a secure, hacked or compromised email accounts. Just we will tap on it, and after tapping, see actually this page will be open here. Just we will come to review your account activities. Now here is especially etc, but here, yes, if still the belief says especially someone else is using this account, then find out if your account has been hacked. We will tap on it. So when we tap on it, and then this page will be open here. Here just we will scroll up, guys, and here we will have these steps to the risk of it. And just we will tap on it. When we tap on it, and then here this page will be here. Only one's two options, that create a replacement Google account. Second is are getting locked out of your Gmail accounts. Third option we don't have here, so just accept this arrow. Here is the special accounts recovery page. So just we will tap on it. When we tap on it on the special recovery page, then here this area automatically it will recommend to you that you are planning to address this area, of course, and we will tap to especially next and see without having anything. So of course would be recovered. Now it has taken a little bit time and it has recovered finally. Don't make a mistakes to make especially or tap on continue. Just we will have to yes cancel this. Just we will tap on update password. When we tap, and then directly we have a golden opportunity to create this strong password, confirms the password, and we will go for save it. After saving, don't skip it, guys. When we save it, and then of course we will go in especially Google account management, and there is a security option. There you can add an alternative email. So firstly we will add an alternative email. After having the OTP, of course we can easily recall, yes, remove especially recovery phone number that was added maybe by hackers or by summons, of course, and then we will add a new phone number. So after adding, so this ID will be a permanent secure. This ID has been the finally recovered, guys. We will have to deliver to my especially I'm the viewer. So after generating the strong password, and we will have to change also especially alternative especially I'm in the phone number. So this is all about it. Further we cannot show you because this is a privacy concern of my view, a lot of the data is inside of that. So this is all about. So further main inquiry, of course, have the query below the comment box. Plus we must to reply your query, guys. And yes, for your kind information, if you are unable to execute these things, then if you think so that we have the customized to other scope in the particular, especially any Gmails by the systems, and then of course you can leave your Gmail especially ID especially in the comments box. I will pick and I will rescue and deliver to you, but you should have no any objections to disclose your ID on the public domains, guys. So this is all about. So thank you for staying the till the end of this tutorials. Hey, this is the Technology Welfare, and I will be back with step by step with real new demonstration, new especially of course the tutorials. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share of this content, because of course it really supports the channel, guys. Thank you very much indeed.